Here at the Brisbane airport doing a domestic departure, going on Virgin. I've already got my bag tags here, right here, real easy. And now we will drop off the bags here at Virgin, Australia, bag drop. And then show you the airport. I'm going to Cairns. It'll be my first time there. I just came up all the way from Sydney doing land transit. So this will be interesting. Now, why am I having to stand in line if I already have my bag drop? Huh. I didn't know you'd have to stand in line, but... Alright, so there was a little bit of a line, about 5 minutes. Drop off, and now we're headed to the security check. Security screening and departure. A lot of the airports here in Australia, you would just print out your bag and it was quite easy. That one had a little bit of a problem with line and queues. We have to go outside. I guess it's under construction. Hopefully all is smooth sailing.
Can we get a selfie?
Security screening and departure gates. Oh boy. Don't tell me this is a line. Okay. All right, so update. Took 45 minutes to get through security. That was a massive bottleneck. They have 4 machines. They were only operating 1 at first. Then they opened up a second one. And then the line started extending outside the building where it was actually very hot right now, by the way. So it was hot. People are standing outside in the heat. They were saying that it was because they're doing construction on this airport. So maybe that's why. So far, Sydney, Melbourne, and this airport are all getting construction upgrades, I guess. So what you've seen on this channel with the traffic jams and bottlenecks and queues should be getting fixed once the airports are fixed. But as it stands right now, every airport I've been to except for Perth has had incredible congestion, queues, a lot of technical malfunction errors. The machine kept kind of glitching, so they'd pause the machine and then they would start it back up. So there was some of that. The good thing is that, well, the machines they have now are the old machines, so like if you have any sort of like charging cables or wires, they make you pull all of that out of your bags. But I guess they're building the new security area, which is going to have the new machines. So that's the good news. Anyways, we are here. We're going to Cairns. So we'll see. 45 minutes waiting in a long line like that. Whew. That's, baggage drop lines, security lines. You got to take that into consideration when arriving here. Look at that. Families. Traveling with little kids, not easy. Not easy. And then they add queues on top of that. Oh boy. What's going on, Australia? Can't wait for the new airports to open and fix all the problems. There's lots of construction here. A lot of modernization is taking place here. So, yes, short-term pain, long-term gain, right? That's the plan at least, right? So we'll see. All right, I just had a nice beer. And you can hear the construction and renovations taking place. But yeah, I'm headed down to gate 43. good beer. They have great beers in Australia. This one's going to Sydney. If you ever wanted to know like the top travel destinations in Australia, look at the board, see where they fly. You'll learn about some of the cities that you may not consider going to, such as places like Townsville or Broome, things like that. See, this one's going to Townsville. That's up there in between kind of Brisbane and here. Brisbane and Cairns.
Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes is not permitted. Electronic devices may not be used on the tarmac.
Where is the gates? Oh, way over here.
Good morning, everyone. Virgin Australia is personally paging for Mr. Josiah Rookie, Miss Matilda.
Oh my God, they just said my name.
And
Just kidding.
Catherine Marston. If you're in the Virgin Australia terminal, can you please engage us gate 47?
Alright. Wow, it's way over here. I didn't even expect that. Big domestic terminal, huh? This is all Virgin Australia.
It's at the other end of the cafe. Yeah. Feels like a round circle of like 4 cafes.
Yeah, these big airports. I don't know, man. Seems like the big airports right now are getting facelifts, which is great for the future, but not good for now. Air raid shelters in Brisbane flood 1893. Cairns region, Stony Creek Falls. I'd love to see the old photos. Great old photos. 1966 Surfer's Paradise. So cool. Oh, Hobart, Tasmania. Okay, well, they got a beer garden here. Here we go. Canberra and Cairns. Well, we're just rating the board. Maybe about 5 or 10 minutes late, not too bad. I actually spent about an hour just chilling in the airport, so even with all those delays, I showed up about 2 hours early and I waited for a while, so seems like even though you got to stand in line for a while, it's alright.